Hello everyone, it's Zami over here. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are staying safe at your home. So in this quarantine, I just thought of making this video because I feel like this may help you. And today's video will be about why should we read books. So I have listed some of the points from my experience, from like what I feel the reasons of reading books, and I have listed down in my notebook. So without wasting any time, we should start. First point is it increases your imagination power, and it is the most important point of all the points, I guess, because whenever you are watching movies or watching any series, the characters are just in front of you, so there is no way to imagine the characters. But when you are reading a book, a novel, at that time you imagine the characters, and you become a good thinker. You become a creative thinker, and in this way you can increase your imagination. Second point, so reading books are like workout of your mind. Like we always prefer workout, physical workout, like we always want to be physically fit, but along with being physically fit, I think we should also be mentally fit. And it helps you to handle a situation like in this quarantine. I think that is the most important thing, that if you're not mentally fit, then you can't cope up with the situation. And not only in this lockdown or in this quarantine, also there are many situations in our life that every time we feel like shattered down and we can't decide what to do, we can't keep our mind calm, like we just mess it up. So in like all these things can be held down by reading books. So the third one, it increases your vocabs, because whenever you read books you find so many new words, and you can use these words while gossiping with your friends, or if you want to impress somebody, you can also use it in the caption or while texting them, and it makes your conversation very very cool, very impressive. So, and also this vocabs, the number of words you learn, it helps you to write something, an article or anything. Like whenever I read any article or any book, I find words and I just keep those words in my mind, and whenever the time comes for captions or for writing anything in my diary, use them, because application is the most important thing. So it helps you to in your writing skill and also in your speaking skill, because sometimes you go to interview, and if your interviewer asks you to speak about a topic for few minutes, it will help you. You will get so many words to speak about, like you can speak so well about a topic. So the fourth one is which is almost similar to the previous point, but it is slightly different, because and this is the thing that we all know, we all even give advice to others, but we never follow. So yeah, books also help us to gain our knowledge. As it happens, like sometimes my peers used to discuss about a topic and I was totally unaware of that topic. What are you like? I am always like, what are you talking about? I don't know. So which help us to gain our knowledge, and it also, and this knowledge will help us in our future. Like in our interview, sometimes like we are being asked some questions which are out of syllabus, and like some general questions. And if you read good books, then your knowledge, like it gains so much, and it helps you in the future. Now the last one but not the least, the fifth one is it makes you productive. So this is the very important point for us right now, because we were habituated to a very different lifestyle before lockdown, and suddenly everything changed and we are being caged in our room, and we can't go outside, we can't step outside and room with our friends. So it is very difficult for us, and building a habit takes time. So we like our lifestyle has totally changed, and at this time being this unproductive is a very common thing, and so we should keep ourselves productive, and we should stop procrastinating. I am saying this, but I am a procrastinator. I always delay my work and just keep it for tomorrow. So read books because it helps you in so many ways, and I hope you will pick up a book, like pick up a very thin book, not a very fat one, so you get motivated while reading that it will get completed very soon. So pick up a comic book or very thin book and start reading, and it will help you in your future, in your present, and so that's all for now. Hope you will like this video, and if you feel like it is somewhere little bit helpful for you, then do like and subscribe to this channel, and help me in this journey. Until then, bye bye.